Die one hen op 26.2. Look at me, look at me. I'm meeting this one block. One block is a meter. One block is a meter. And then plus half a meter. And then that one is half a meter as well. And then half a meter as well. This is from here to there. So we've got 6 meters. Pause like that.
Nee, of je te pauze, ik ga het aan.
Yeah. Yes. So we've got we've got 1 meter.
Wacht.
You see?
You see one of these black mats is 1 meter.
And from there to there.
That's 50.
And then here as well.
So all of these mats you can count.
Hier is ook, kijk, hierin is bietjie meer. Hier is dus 52.
This one you'll see is 52 to make up for that other 2 centimeters. Wacht, wij zitten weer.
Ja.
Julle is happy.
Oké, en dan die tel gaan net hoeveel? Oké, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look, you must look. So now you must reverse so that you don't jump on these weights. It must stay in frame, stay in frame, stay in frame. Hey, what's it for?
Robbie, kijk gou hier. Is hierdie ding hoog genoeg? So, kyk gou vir die ringe as jy hierdie neem.
Die groot ding is jy by die lunges ook kan kry nie.
Ja, nee, maar
Hierdie is 'n
maar
nagmerrie.
check dit gou daai, gaan mense mooi kan sien.
Ja, jy sal.
Maar hierdie is fyn, ons het dit gesien. Ek sal hom liewer net so bietjie gesoek. Nee, maar jy mag nie, mag nie. Hy moet op een is hy mag nie. Hy sê dit. Hy het nie. Ja, hy mag nie.